How to add keyframe animation to video in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, import your video clip into the timeline and select it. Then, go to the inspector panel on the top right. This panel lets you access all the transform settings like position, zoom, rotation, and more. Now, scroll to the frame where you want the animation to start. Click the small diamond icon next to the parameter you want to animate, like zoom or position. This creates your first keyframe, then move ahead in the timeline where you want the animation to end and adjust the value. DaVinci Resolve will automatically add another keyframe there. You can add multiple keyframes to different properties like rotation or opacity for more complex motion. Use the playhead to preview how your animation flows. If it feels too fast or too slow, just drag the keyframes in the timeline closer or further apart. And that's it. Now you know how to add keyframed animation to video in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.